WFA is in Marrakesh in Africa for the first time in its history. We have a 62-year history, first time ever in Africa. We've been to Asia, we've been to Latin America, we've been to North America, to Australia. We'd never been to Africa. And the fact that we're in Africa here today is not a coincidence. The fact that we're in Morocco is not a coincidence. We're very excited about the opportunities of Africa, of the growth perspective of Africa, and we're very excited about Morocco and how the advertising industry in Morocco is evolving very, very fast. So we're celebrating our global week here in Morocco in order to signal that for us, Africa is going to be the continent with the biggest opportunities in the next 10 years, and that's very, very exciting.
There was a lot of inspiring conversations about how you can take the most basic of ideas and transform them into something grand, something beyond what the imagination can take you. You don't need to have the grandest of innovations to be successful.
The integrity of our brands as global marketers is essential to our public affairs agenda, and that if we are to win over regulators and we are to win over consumer confidence and build confidence in our reputation as companies, the integrity of our brand and what we do and how we conduct ourselves is important.
The world has a lot to learn from what is happening in Africa, and I think we've seen already today some fantastic examples of simple application of ideas and what a big impact that can have.
If you're going to be successful in Africa, you need to be conscious of the culture of the people. The youth in Africa is the same as the youth anywhere else in the world. They want the same things. And so in developing products or designing propositions, you need to be conscious of that, but that there needs to be local flavors.
You know, more and more opportunities are here to grow business, and probably it's interesting to look at the way business will grow in this market. So new challenges, new opportunities.
There was a lot of information and I learned a lot today. I would say keep the marketing plans as simple as possible, because complex plans, there's a difficulty in execution. So make it plain and make it simple.
Top three would be that one, Africa is a huge opportunity for marketeers. Two would be that, marketeers should go back to basics, understand consumers. It's there where the journey starts. And I would say three, that the world has changed and the tools that marketeers should be looking at and using are basically changing as well.
involving consumers in creating the right marketing campaign, I found it really inspiring.
Well, the main message would be to embrace change. Marketing is not going to stay in its current form, it evolves constantly.
Simplicity and transparency, I think, are the key words to go forward.
When you start treating people like consumers and customers, you really do something. If you show care, people will care about you.
Now it's time to be courageous and to be bold, to be humble enough to rethink what we need to change and why we need to change as marketeers.
From the Australian Association of National Advertisers. I've come to the World Federation of Advertisers conference here in Marrakesh because all the big brands are here, and sometimes you can start a new conversation if you come to a new country.
Hello, my name is Didem Kayadelan from Turkey. Being in Marrakesh was a wonderful experience that I had the opportunity to learn about more about the African continent and to share everything, all the information with my colleagues.
My name is Ediri Osediale. I am the Executive Secretary of the Advertisers Association of Nigeria. I come for the WFA conference annually because from the conference I get invaluable insights in marketing and also adding value to the business of advertising in Nigeria. And then, especially this year, I have been really enlightened on the latest trends, developments in the marketing industry, and I know it will be invaluable for the Nigerian market.
I am Sandra Martinelli from Brazil, and I came here because ABBA is one of the members of WFA, and this meeting, a week meeting, was very rich for me to give and take. I'm leaving Morocco richer than I arrived here.
Hello, I'm Mike Hughes. I run the British Advertisers Association, ISBA. And what is unique about the WFA Global Advertising Summit is that it's the only place where advertisers of the world can gather together to address the issues which transcend national boundaries, both currently and into the future. It's particularly fantastic that we're here in Morocco, the first time the conference has been held in Africa.
Mon nom est Stéphane Lurque, je suis le directeur général de la Fédération mondiale des annonceurs. Donc nous sommes ici au Global Market Week 2015 à Marrakech et en fait c'est pas une coïncidence. Le Maroc et l'Afrique ont été choisis parce qu'il y a un consensus émergent autour du fait que c'est en Afrique que se présenteront les grandes opportunités pour le marketing et pour les marques dans les 10 années à venir. Nous avons choisi le Maroc parce que c'est au Maroc que nos liens sont les plus forts. Le GAM est un adhérent de la WFA depuis plus de 20 ans. Nous sommes à la fin du Global Market Week, nous sommes le 20 mars. Ça fait maintenant 5 jours que nous avons des réunions, des groupes de travail, notre assemblée générale, notre conférence. Tout ça a eu lieu cette semaine, sans parler des dîners de gala, du GAM, de la WFA. Et quand je regarde en fait cette semaine, ça a été une semaine remarquable. Ça a été une semaine remarquable à tout point de vue. D'une part, je souhaiterais vraiment saluer le travail de nos partenaires marocains. Le GAM a fait un travail remarquable. Et en fait, je compare cette semaine aux toutes meilleures semaines qu'on ait pu avoir ces dernières années, que ce soit à New York ou à Rio ou à Sydney. Ça a été très professionnel.
Le fait d'organiser un événement pareil ici chez nous au Maroc, et pour une association comme la nôtre qui est le GAM comparé à d'autres de pays développés, était un grand challenge. Mais nous l'avons bien réussi. Nous l'avons réussi avec le soutien de tout le monde, de tous les acteurs, de toutes les parties prenantes, mais aussi par l'engagement et l'implication des équipes du GAM, des équipes qui nous entourent et des partenaires qui nous ont beaucoup aidés, que je remercie énormément. Je pense qu'aujourd'hui, et c'est de l'avis de tout le monde, de toutes les délégations présentes et de tous les responsables de la Fédération mondiale des annonceurs, l'édition de Marrakech est l'une des meilleures éditions de cet événement qui s'est tenu auparavant dans de grandes capitales, à Sydney, à Pékin, à New York et à Bruxelles. Et nous avons pu en faire au Maroc une grande réussite, une édition remarquable qui va rester dans les annales de la Fédération mondiale des annonceurs. En termes de bilan quantitatif, je signalerai que nous avons reçu plus de 400 marketeurs venus du monde entier, de plus de 34 pays, à signaler la bonne représentativité des marketeurs africains et marocains spécialement, que je remercie pour leur mobilisation, que je remercie pour le temps qu'ils ont dégagé de leur agenda chargé en ce mois de mars pour venir passer quelques jours à Marrakech. Mais le résultat valait le détour. Et la qualité des échanges, la qualité du networking, la qualité des personnalités, des experts du marketing du monde entier ici présents justifie un tel déplacement.